So in this video, we are going to learn how to analyze PDF images using AI agent. Let's say you have some PDF files and you don't have text, you have images in those PDFs. And you want to analyze those images in the PDF and extract some data out of it. So let me tell you, you can build an AI agent which is going to completely automate this process for you. All you have to do is upload the PDF file with images in your Google Drive folder. Then this AI agent will get the PDF files which has images in it and send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, it is going to analyze and extract the content out of it. And after extracting the data, this AI agent will automatically add that same extracted data with the file details in our Google spreadsheet. Now in this video, we are just taking an example of Google Sheet, but instead of this, you can send this data to any application or any platform of your choice. Now if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder in which I'm adding a PDF file. Now here you can see that if I open this PDF contains an image, and this is an image of an invoice over here. Now in this video, I'm just taking an example of a PDF file containing the image of an invoice, but you can take PDF files containing any images over here. And in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which will capture the PDF files which has images in it from our Google Drive folder and then send it to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, it is going to analyze those PDF files and extract the details, the information or the content from those particular PDF files with images. And at last, it will add all of these details in the Google spreadsheet like the file name, file URL, and the file content. Now to connect all of these platforms and build this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. And to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on Access Now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI Agent for Image Analysis from PDF. AI agent for image analysis from PDF. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. Now here in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this workflow, this AI agent works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Google Drive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we upload a PDF file with images over here in this Google Drive folder, the same file will be captured by this AI agent and this AI agent will trigger. For that, here in the trigger step in Choose App, search for Google Drive. Just select it. After selecting Google Drive in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New File in Specific Folder. After selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we just have to click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the folder or subfolder. So it is basically asking us that in our Google Drive account, in which particular folder or subfolder we are uploading these PDF files with some images in it. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the folders which we have in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, this is the folder named as PDF files with images in which we are uploading the PDFs over here. So from this particular folder, we want to basically get the files. So we are going to select that. After selecting the folder, if I click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last file, the most recent PDF uploaded on this folder will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now before doing that, here you can see that in our Google Drive folder, you can see we have only one PDF file right now. And if I open this file, you can see the share permission of this PDF file is private to only me. And with this share permission, we can't send this file to OpenAI and analyze and extract the image details out of it. So what we have to do, we have to change the share permission. But changing the share permission of each and every file which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder is a repetitive and tedious task. So what we can do, we can just change the share permission of this complete folder. Just click on this folder name from the drop down, just go to share. After clicking on share over here, just click on this restricted option and from the drop down, select anyone with the link. After selecting this, just click on done and it is done. We have changed the share permission of all the files which we have or which we are going to upload in this Google Drive folder. And now if I open this PDF file, you can see the share permission is changed. After changing the share permission, let's get back to Pabbly Connect and just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. In this response, we have received the details of the same file. Like here in front of web view link, we have the link of the same PDF file which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. Then after that, here you can see we have the download link of the same PDF file as well. We will scroll down further. Here you can see that we have the other details of the file like the name of the file and the rest of the details as well. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed. Now let's move to step 2. In step 2, what we are going to do, we are going to send the same file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to extract the details and analyze the PDF file with image as well. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as extract content from PDF/image. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account. From the right top corner, we just have to go to the dashboard section and then go to API keys. After coming to API keys, just click on this create new secret key button and give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name my API key as AI agent for PDF with images. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you want to generate the API key and select the permissions as all and click on this create secret key. Now as you click on create secret key, the API key is generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on save. And as you click on save here, you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the AI model, that using which model we want to basically use to extract and analyze the details, the images in this PDF file. So let's say I will be using GPT-4o Mini as the model. Then it is asking us image/PDF file URL. So here we have to map the URL, the link of the PDF file which we want to send to OpenAI. So we have received the PDF file link, the download link of the PDF file from Google Drive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we are going to add this response of web content link, the download link of the PDF file to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step responses to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field over here and from the drop down from Google Drive responses, select the response of web content link and it will be mapped. Then it is asking us for the prompt, that what do we want OpenAI to do with this file? We have to enter it in the prompt section over here. So let's say I'm going to enter the prompt as analyze the file and extract the details from the images in it. So this is the prompt which I'm entering. But if you want, you can just enter a detailed prompt that what exactly you want OpenAI to do with this file, what kind of details and what kind of response you are expecting from OpenAI. Also, by entering a JSON schema, a JSON structure, you can basically get a structured response of the extracted data, of the analyzed data from OpenAI as well. But right now, I'm just getting a text summary over here. I don't want a structured data. That's why we are just going to keep this field as blank. Then after that, we will just scroll down and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And yes, here you can see that we have received a response, and in this response you can see that in front of message content we have the extracted details. So basically it has given us a JSON schema over here, and in that JSON schema it has extracted all the details and given us in the response. But as I told you, I don't want the response in the JSON schema. So here I'm just going to modify my prompt and ask it explicitly to basically give me the data, give me the details as plain text. So I want my prompt to be, give me the response as plain text with all the information. So I have updated the prompt. Now let's click on the save and send test request button once again. So in this way, you can just enter a prompt as per your choice, and according to that, you can basically get the desired output from OpenAI. So after updating the prompt, let's see what kind of response OpenAI is going to give us. Okay, so once again, we have received the response from OpenAI. Now let's check this particular response. And yes, here you can see that we have received the details, we have received the response and extracted data from the image in our PDF file as plain text. So in our PDF file, we have added this image over here, and OpenAI has scanned this PDF file, scanned the image out of it and extracted all the details. After this, what we want to do, after getting this response, we want to add the same details of the extracted content and also the file name and file URL in our Google spreadsheet. For that, we will scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, select your Google Sheets account. Then we will just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet, that in which spreadsheet of our Google Sheets account we want to add this data. So the name of my spreadsheet is Image Details from PDF. So from this drop down here, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets, out of which I'm going to select this spreadsheet over here. Now in this spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why here from the drop down, I'm going to select Sheet 1. Then it is asking us for the file name, file URL, and file content. So the three column headers which we have created in our Google Sheet, you can see all of these 3 columns options as fields inside Pabbly Connect. And from the previous steps, one by one, we have to map the details over here. The process of mapping stays the same. We will just click on this field of file name, and from the drop down from Google Drive responses, we will select the response of the name of the file and map it. Then we are going to map the response of web view link, the file URL from Google Drive trigger step response. And here in file content, we have received the content from OpenAI. So we are going to select and map that response over here. Now after mapping all the details, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive another response over here. And yes, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, these details are now added as a new row in this Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to the Google Sheet. And yes, here you can see that in this Google spreadsheet, the new data is added. Let me just change the formatting over here, and here it is. So you can see that just now a new row of data is added. Here you can see we have the name of the same file, same PDF file which had images which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. After that, here you can see we have the URL, the link of the same file, and here in front of file content, we have the extracted content from the image of that PDF file as well. So in this way, you can see the AI agent which we have built using Pabbly Connect, this AI agent is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect multiple applications to build AI agents to connect and automate multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of the same workflow of the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.